Hi, I'm Dan from Fully Charged. As the founding employee of Gocycle, it's a great honour to reveal a short teaser and a global exclusive of the new and highly anticipated Gocycle G5 expected in 2026. As much as we'd love to, we can't show you everything. But having now ridden the pre-production prototype, we can assure you it's going to be awesome and well worth the wait. After the G1, G2, G3, GS, GX and G4, the G5 is the 7th iteration of the Gocycle, based on 23 years of product development. The G5 sees some of the biggest product changes yet, with the G4 having seen a vast number of changes on the front end of the bike with advanced motor technologies. The G5 sees a lot happening in the rear, with the clean drive no longer being part of the structural integrity of the product and now purely cosmetic. The new design does away with the central pivot block, previously a source of squeaks, making way also for a standard bottom bracket. Answering a grumble from previous designs, the G5 will benefit from a 5-speed internal hub gear with wider range and a carbon belt drive introduced for the first time, further increasing the product's cleanliness and extremely low maintenance requirements. Proprietary Gocycle features such as the integrated daylight running light and electric predictive gear shifting will be present on all models. After a purchase by Californian-based e-bike giant Aventon earlier in 2025, as a business, Gocycle have undergone a number of massive structural changes with no production over the last 12 months. But it's exciting to hear that the brand is to live on, and with Aventon's backing, we can't wait to see what's next. There's even talk about a potential new ACU that will provide GPS tracking, motion sensing, and geofencing options. So there's not much longer to wait, and you can be sure that we'll be here to offer a full product review as soon as we can.